Welcome everyone. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to restore your Honda Odyssey FL250. Works on the FL352 and the pilots. And basically any type of plastic like this it'll work on. But today we're focusing on 1977 yellow and black Honda Odyssey front foot tub. Now, I see a lot of people just sand these down and paint them. That works, but the paint can come off if you don't do it correctly. Now, we're going to be using I am not sponsored by this company. I just have a bunch of this. PC Racing Plastic Renew ATV. Basically, it's a kit to fix faded plastics. I did have to do some sanding, so I've been sanding a little because there's some stress cracks and little cracks and stuff. I could probably, this ain't going to be 100% because to get the stress cracks out, you really got to re-gel coat it, which you kind of don't want to because you want to take all the gel coat off, then do it again. And this is fiberglass if you're not aware. So I'll go ahead and put you guys right there, little microphone, so you can hear me. So here's the kit right here. It consists of they give you some steel wool and multiple different grits. I got 220 I'm working with right now. They give you 320 and they give you 400. They also give you some directions. If you need to read those, I'd also recommend when you sand and turn fan on so you get some air movement, and they give you a sticker and directions. If you're not familiar with this, I'd highly recommend to read the directions. I'm very familiar with this because I've worked with this a lot. So we're just gonna sand this all down, and we're going to go to the next one. I've sanded already a lot. 320. Just get it good. Don't need to be nothing special. I'm just doing this front roller because I'm thinking about painting these Honda letters black. So haven't made up my mind about that yet. I ain't restoring it, but I'm making it look better. I am probably going to restore the FL250 at some point. But while I wait to find a good, decent CDI flyer, I'm working on other stuff. Just making it look a little bit better for the age. Go ahead and get some. Now we're going to take 400. And you'll probably have, like around these letters, you're probably going to have to go a little slower. Now what we do is we're going to take some plastic renew, spray it on there, and just rub it all in. Just rub it all in, and you can see that color is starting to pop really nice. So that's what we want. It's starting to look very nice. You can start to see all the stress cracks right there. It's just brittle. I mean, this thing's 1977. That's a lot of years of abuse. So, but I've seen these in worse conditions, so I'm not going to complain too much. But see that still wall can get caught up. And they even include you some paper towels. Go ahead and take a paper towel and you just hit that subscribe button for me, guys. Let's look at that shine. Compared to what it was. That is really shining now. It's reflective. Now, if you can see right there, there's a lot of stress cracks. Like I'm saying, I'm gonna have to do a lot of body work to that to make it 100% like showroom. But to just drive around the farm and stuff, I think that's more than enough. Okay, I'm gonna probably do the whole tub, but I thought I'd show you this front piece, how it came out. Now, if it's really dirty, I mean, you can pressure wash it. I got some wipes from my friends over at Benchmark Abrasives, so I'm just going to use those. It's not like muddy or anything, like there's chunks of mud. It's just there's dust and spider webs. So, because Odyssey hasn't been running for a year now, so having a real headache with the point system. I got multiple different stators. The guy I bought one said it was a 6 volt. Actually turned out to be 12 volt. Some people say that the dang spark plug coil is the wrong one. So, but I'm looking around and I'm running out of patience with the thing I want. I am at the point of converting it to CDI. I just can't find this flywheel. I found one. The guy wants $125 for it. I don't know if that includes shipping or not. I might just buy that one. I don't want to spend that much because I bought the whole damn Odyssey for $300. But then I keep thinking, every Odyssey I've seen, I got a really good deal on this thing because in this condition, I see them going for $3,000 to $4,000. So, with all the parts and stuff. So, but. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys on over here. Might as well show you the rest, especially for people not really familiar with the FL250s. Maybe there's some person out there that'd be like, hey, you should make a full video on that. I'm just probably gonna make a full video on it. We're gonna move all this stuff out of here. I've been building a welding cart, so I've been grinding and got a lot of work done. Gonna go ahead and take some wipes. I recommend them wipes. So, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for me. And leave me a like. And give me a comment. Tell me what you think about the FL250s and the Honda Odysseys. Besides all the problems I've been having, which are very popular. A lot of people say you work on these things more than you run them, but here's what it is. Get the job done. Had one guy say he had the flywheel I needed, but actually turned out I don't think he's legit because the pictures he's all getting are from AutoTV's website. Joe over at AutoTV. Probably gotta send him an email, let him know about that. I'm just so sick and tired of people trying to scam people. And it's like they steal multiple information. Like they steal Joe's pictures off of his website. They steal some guy's profile picture. And it's just ridiculous. It really is. I mean, I am going to bring up the subject. Hopefully you don't. I kicked that again. Hopefully it won't piss anyone off. But if it does, you can leave at any time. Trump won, if you're not aware. And our country really needed that, you know? You know? The fact that he got shot multiple times and didn't die just shows you God was protecting him. But getting this all cleaned up, I need to get, probably gonna look around. I need to get this rubber piece here. I got this one, but little thingy's broke apart. I don't know if Joe makes aftermarket ones of that yet. Gonna have to check it out. But the cleaner you get this, the better result you're gonna get. And like I'm saying, you could probably pressure wash this or hose it down and scrub it and stuff, but I don't feel like getting the pressure washer out right now. It's 7:30 at night. I just got done doing a whole bunch of welding on the little tool on the welding cart. That's what this is on right now. It's turning out pretty nice. Against the wall. I'm gonna go ahead and work on this. Whole corner right here. Ahead and get this one. Here's another stretch pack right there. Just getting it. Now, you could probably use power tools on this. I'd be careful, because you can burn through this pretty dang fast. These are really hard to find, too. Seems like every damn thing for these things are hard to find. But there's places like Odyssey TV with Joe making aftermarket parts for these, and seriously appreciate that, because Honda doesn't care, or Honda just didn't want to continue making parts for these. No, there is. Actually, I'll take that back. You can get some parts for these, like you can get a coil, I see, and some little parts, but big parts like plastics and you really can't get. My hoodie was cleaned before I started. Think I'm gonna make this a series, maybe. Oh no. Oh no. I mean, I wouldn't be interested in watching someone scrub down a foot tub on an Odyssey, but maybe there's people that enjoy that. I don't know. Got a company sending me a headlamp so I can read that. We're gonna put that. And we're gonna basically do the same we did on the front. Yeah, this foot little bodywork would really look pretty sweet. I mean, that's looking way better. It was faded, like really bad. And that's all this kit really does I'm using right now. It just brightens it. It's just a brightener. The paper towel and just go ahead and wipe it on down. Might have to buy a whole damn another Odyssey just for that damn flywheel. I did find a couple full motors 5 hours away. My guys wanted 1,000 for it, and it's a little too much. But I don't know. So once again, this is the plastic renewed by PC Racing. I'm not sponsored by them. They did not send me this. I paid for this with my own money. Here are the stickers. Highly recommend it if they want to sponsor me. And if they happen to watch this video, there is an email in the about on the channel. Go check it out. Send me an email, and we can talk about working together. So. But yeah. So. All right. Well, I'm gonna continue to work on that. And as you can see, this and that are looking a heck of a lot better. I'm going to get that all looking like nice. I would really like to put the electric start kit on this audio. It's just this way too damn expensive. $800 almost. I'll stick to a pull start. And pull start alone, heck. When you find a good used pull start, you'd be lucky to get it for under $200. Man, so maybe my problem is I just got such a great deal on this Odyssey. I just don't understand the value of the parts. Maybe that's my problem. But I want to tell everyone thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you guys on part 2. So catch you there.